out the coop. Polly one on top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been on pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Big daddy, have you ever felt Chanel family? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. We got more strikes in the rough, we foul tackle. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real, I'm tryna help them. When I got a meal, got me the chills, don't know what happened. Pop pill, do what you feel, I'm on that zombie. I'm more like Gaddafi, I'm not no Gunny. I'm more like I'm David Goliath running. Niggas be cloning, I find it funny. Clone, we finna know, straight out the dungeon. Finna know, hey. I go in the mouth, she costing me nothing. 300 the watch is out of your budget. Mean muggin' got me clutching. Yeah, and this stick right out of Russia.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansions. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Yes, we always for each other. Now that all the dogs free. Can we out in these streets? Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. And a Hellcat cause I'm a hellraiser. Self-made, I don't owe a nigga land favor. When you get that money, nigga, keep your heart. I'm sliding in a coupe, ain't got no key to start. I got to follow me in BET Awards. When your well run dry, you know you need me for it. When I pull up in a Buick, you know what I'm doing. If the police get behind me, fleeing any lure. Sleeping on the pallet, turn me to a savage. I'm a project baby, now I stay in Calabash. Like I'm still surfing, like I'm still jacking. I be sipping on